Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use an eyelash curler. I know it sounds super simple, but there are two different versions that I want to show you today, and not everybody knows how to or feels comfortable using an eyelash curler. So as you can see, this is the result of using an eyelash curler. I have used two different types here. One on the left is different to the one on the right, but the result is the same, but it's about choosing the right eyelash curler for you that works best with your eye shape. So this Rephr eyelash curler is my preference in terms of a ordinary looking, more generic eyelash curler that you're probably most familiar with. You can see it has a mechanism where you pinch one side of the eyelash curler with your forefinger and your thumb, and this in turn pinches your eyelashes to create a nice curl. This next eyelash curler is better for those of you that need more precision. If your eyelashes are quite straight or very short, or you struggle to curl the inner or outer corner of your eyelashes, this one will be your best friend. It's curved nicely to fit between your fingers and your thumb in order to create a nice pinching motion, and you can go along the length of your eyelashes to give them a nice curl. So on this I'm going to start with my more generic, regular looking eyelash curler. So these come in slightly wider fit and also slightly smaller, but you want to make sure that if you line it up against your eyelid that you can fit all of your eyelashes in between this space here. So make sure it's a similar length from the inner corner of your eye to the outer corner of your eye. That way you know you'll fit all of your eyelashes in between the mechanism. A little tip is to always scoop from the outside corner inwards like this. That way your eyelashes will all fit in, and when you blink up and down you'll see that all of your eyelashes are sitting in between the clamp. The red rubber needs to sit at the base of your eyelashes as close to the root as possible. Here's a side angle. You'll see that the red base should sit right at the root of your eyelashes, so if you look downwards slightly you'll be able to feel it sitting at the root. You can either look straight ahead or down. And as you squeeze your forefinger and thumb together, you'll notice that it clamps your eyelashes in there. Now you want to come down really gently when you do this so that you don't pinch your skin in it. So look downwards. It helps if you raise your eyebrows to stretch your skin, therefore you're less likely to clamp it between the eyelash curler. And then gently squeeze the lash curler together to give your lashes a nice curl. For an extra curl you can also tilt the lash curler backwards, but as you let it go you'll see that you get a beautiful lift to your eyelashes. So you've seen it from the side and now you can see it from the front. It makes a huge difference to how open your eyes look. There are tips and tricks for those of you with super straight eyelashes where you can warm your eyelash curler up, but if you are new to this I would say just avoid that to begin with in case you burn yourself. Moving on to the opposite eye, I'm going to use the other eyelash curler. This one is the more precise lash curler. I will link both these eyelash curlers in the description bar for you. Much like the red band in the original eyelash curler, this one has a soft pink band and that sits at the base of your eyelash. And with the top section, you want to make sure when you clamp it down, you're not going to catch your skin, but you want it as close to the root of your eyelashes as possible. So look straight ahead into a mirror. Clamp your eyelashes down and rotate the handle backwards slightly to get some added lift, and you can see instantly how much this creates lift to your eyelashes. It is incredible, great if you struggle with your outer corners. So you can see here how different it looks. It really does elevate your eyelashes. It is important when you are clamping down and rotating that you're not pulling down at the eyelashes. You don't want to pull them away from the root, but you just want to be very gentle. Make sure that again when you rotate it's comfortable. If it feels uncomfortable, don't do it. And then all you do with this type of curler is work your way along. You can of course combine both eyelash curlers. You can use the original one first, and then if you miss the inner corner and outer corner you can go in with this smaller one, or you can just use this alone and work your way along your eyelashes until they're all curled. It does take obviously a tiny bit longer than the original curler, but this one is ideal for precision. I always like to go over my eyelash curlers with some IPA. That's why my thumb looks a bit dry. It's just from the IPA. It completely dries your skin out a little bit like acetone does. Obviously the whiteness washes away as soon as you wash your hands, but yeah, it's a good idea to keep your eyelash colours nice and clean when you're using something this close to your eye. And this is the result of the more precise eyelash colour. They both look fantastic. I have a similar result. You probably couldn't tell the difference between the two, but the point is both eyelash colours are equally as effective. It just is about which eyelash colour works best for your eye shape. I hope that's been helpful, as I know not all of you are familiar with using an eyelash curler or comfortable with using one, so I hope I've been able to help you there. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Again, I will list and link both those eyelash curlers in the description bar. If you missed my tutorial on how to make your natural eyelashes look longer using mascara, please click the video on screen for you now. Thank you so much for watching. Please give the tutorial a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye guys!